Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, Patriots. Stacey Chilius. Nand. Shamila Jagers. Ursula Stierman. Ingrid Lou. Randall Jacobs. Tienes Mack. Alcina Jacobs. Monique Verlande. Gail van der Merwe. Lucien Wymers. Sydney Anthony. Everett Maritz. Janetta Kurt. Petal Pottier. Aris Lee Peterson. Cecil van Syfer. Tessa Boysen. Daniel Reuters. Kendis Gesond. Rian Pieters. Dwayne Johannes. Aris Lee Peterson. Tiffany Stacey Harmse. Lamako Mitchell. Nicolette Breda. Paul G. Jacobs. Andreas Jansen. Chief Divan Durant Kleinboy. Dankie Chief. Mabel Klassen. Samantha Satisfied. Amanda Kleinboy. Gail van Zyl. Masha Moses. Linda Meyring. Lucille Kwana. Philip Oktober. Wendell Nimmerhout. Kansler Zubaida May. Tamsin Jacobs. Cindy C. Lawrence. Wizza. Dankie Kansler Wizza. Deborah Bentham. Debbie. Van Berda. Cyril Warren. Carmen Bok. Kansler Dwayne Ponsonby. Swani. Valencia Stride Khan. Elek Elderoth. Ashley Adenel. Donovan Lemon West. Let me get the agenda ready. Patrice Toltenkamp. Felicity Rock. Ishmael Steenkamp. Sammy Klassen. Michael Williams. Charlene Julius. Lloyd de Vries. Ek sien ook so Tiffany. Brainmo L. Koolman, Maria Opperman Hoorniet, Monica Marman, Salvador Paulus, Brendan L. Jacobs, Jody Steitler, dankie Jody, Son van Wyk, Annelien van der Byl, Bradley Murray, Vicky Pieters, Nicolien Stein, Liesel Jacobs, Mildred van Wyk, Mans Boysen, Bevelin Jadine, Pastor Bevelin Jadine, Petra Barrett, Yolanda Lombard, guys who started 1,000, Dave Opperman, Faithy Irvin, Evening Faithy, Donovan Clement West. All right, we've reached 1,000. Joan Bursman. All right. Guys, I wanna just start with the budget speech. You saw that we couldn't pass the budget last time, so I don't think we really discussed it. So I just want to discuss it anyway. So I want to give the PA people. It is normal what happened. It is not. This thing was a lie that the DA said that they are the ones that stopped the vet. It's a lie. I will never lie to you. It's a lie. I can't tell you what happened in cabinet, but I'm saying to you that it wasn't a DA, PA, or an ANC thing, or a good. It was a discussion of all parties. So no party must take credit. Nobody stopped the vet hike. I want you to know, nobody stopped the vet hike. Anybody that said they are the ones, they party, they are lying. So I just needed to make that one very clear regarding the budget. And we will pass the budget on in the next few days. We'll pass the budget. So just know that the budget will be passed and service delivery will start to happen and projects will start to run. So just so you know, nobody stopped. I see posters that the DA is making that they stop the vet hike. It's lies. I would never lie to you. They can lie to their people. I'm not going to lie to you. It's a lie. I said it. Unless you tell me the electricity minister has joined the DA or this minister has joined the DA, that's a lie. It's a lie, I can tell you, on the life of all my kids. There's not one party that stopped that thing. It is different people that were just talking. So now you know, you heard it from me. Different parties. So one party that says, we are stopping the vet, we've stopped the vet. It's a lie. It's a lie. I needed to bring that one. That was number one, that you know. And then the people that applied in the party for, not the party, the people that applied in the department for funding, and the people that want funding, you still have, I think, a month, if I'm not mistaken, to apply again. Guys, you can't wake up in the morning and say to me, or send me on Facebook, please help me, we want to travel here. You can apply by the department. There's a window period. That window period is open. Please. Now you go to people, press doesn't want to help us. It doesn't work like that. So now there's still 30 days left for you to apply for funding from the department. Please apply. I am not even part of that thing. So I don't say who must get funding, who mustn't get. I don't have that power. So now you have an opportunity to apply instead of coming here complaining every day. Press is ignoring us, press is ignoring us. It's open. Go to the department and apply there at the department. If you want funding, go to the department. There are committees that's being set up. They have now, we've opened it for another month, I think, or 2 weeks. You've got 2 weeks. So if you want funding for your project, if you have an art project, if you have a musical project, if you have a poetic project, if you have something that can take the arts and culture forward, is now your time to apply. If you have what we call a touring party, if you guys want to go to Dubai as a group of singers, you are dancers, now is the time to apply. You have that. Right. Now moving to the next one. Guys, there's a lot of scams. There's a lot of scams going around. There's a lot of people that says they speak to people on DM. It's me. It's a lie. I don't speak to people on DMs. I don't speak in Facebook Messenger anymore in my life with people. I don't do that anymore. So if and I will never ask you for money. I'll give you money. How people say, no, I press, we invested 600 with you, 600 rands. With me. These are all scams. They called my cousin today, Dominique's mom. They called her with my face. Like literally my face and my voice and saying, that's not us. Luckily, she's my cousin, so she's like, no, that's just nonsense. She said, this is nonsense. Friend request that you're getting. Oh, press is asking me for a friend request. These are all scams using my name. So, you know what the funny part? They even comment, the scams are commenting. The scams are commenting on, the scams are commenting on my original page. Friend request. I'm not involved in cryptocurrency and I don't know how to make your money more. I don't know. I don't know. I can't help you if you still give people money. I've been warning you guys. We've been telling you, the SG told you, the DSG told you, all those people have been telling you, don't give these people money. Right, so you have that one too. I just needed to get to those issues. Then, in the budget speech, I want to talk about the by-elections. Today, you saw I was on op die grond. Op die grond. Ons gaan grond toe. I was there in the rain in Westbury. I was there in the rain. It started to rain. I still did some work. I was going door to door. I was going door to door. Going to the flats, talking to people. So I want you to know, be serious. Be serious about doing door-to-door. We were working today. And I want to thank everybody that came out and everybody that's in Saldanha. I want to thank you. Everybody that's at the by-elections that are working there, that left their houses, I want to thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. The people in Westbury, you know, people, I want to tell you, you can write posts about me. You can make my name bad by the people in Westbury or Aldos. Maar as ek Landela, soos ek vandag Landela het, go and ask the people that were there what happened when I Landela op die gronde. Ask the people, ask Anthony, Althea, and I mean Marilyn, wat samen mee gewerkt het vandag. Ask them, ask Leo and them. How happy were the people to see me? So you can talk your nonsense. Die mense ken ons harte as PA. The people know our hearts. Westbury het geshake vandag. Ek was tussen my mense. It was nice. I was so happy to be with the people. They were happy to see me. Now we must just win that vote. Hulle kan maar wat sê van my. Julle kan maar julle briefietjies skryf op Facebook. You can do all those things on Facebook. Our people know who are their leaders. Ek het gelandela in Westbury. Our people are not stupid. Our people know who's there for them. So the people of Westbury, the councillor candidate, and everybody in Westbury, Devanay and them, Mary and them, thank you. Thank you. Ek was met Ismail ons het gewerk daar vandag. Thank you. So julle kan maar nou wat sê. You can go and say Gayton is a criminal, Gayton is what? The people know our hearts. Vandag het ek gesien. I saw how hard the Patriots worked there when I came there. Die mense, even people I haven't seen for a long time, I got so emotional when I saw some of them. Talk about your parties. Leave the Green Party. Talk about your party. So I just needed to say to the people of Westbury, thank you. Ek was op die grond toe. Then Patriots, we are on a job drive to give people jobs in the party and in projects that has nothing to do with government. So I'm saying to you, be patient. Be patient. We want to make sure our people get jobs. Not all at one time, but just know, be patient. We are now on a drive to make sure we get jobs. We open the gates that has been closed to us. And I saw that the unions and people are complaining with what I've done in the department to say coloreds must apply and Indians must apply and colored women must apply. And those, I see there's a lot of, don't worry about that. Ek Baizani. We look at the department and we saw there's really no coloreds. There's really no Indians. There's really no white males in the department that I lead. Now, how can I be a leader and I don't fix it? How can I be a leader? Must I be scared? As ek 'n uitverkoper. These are the things I complained about. There's no white males in DSEC. There's few white males, too few Indians, too few colored people. Now, I can't not and hide and do stuff under. No, I must go out publicly, put the advert, and say we are looking in this post for now. We are looking for this, we are looking for that, we are looking for that. That is common practice. Employment equity. It's common practice that you have to have, the government law says you have to make provision for the different races. So when the races are not there, must I now say nothing? Wag. Ek gaat my ding doen, because I was put there by people to make sure that everybody be treated equally. Ek paisa nie. Te lank was ons uitgeskakel. CV's was gegooi in die asblik. Nie by my nie. Not where I am, you'll do it when I'm no longer there, but when I am there, everyone will get a fair chance. Julle moet dit ken. If you are used to these people that sell out the people when they enter in positions, I'm not those type. I don't get excited for a post. And when I'm excited for a post, I must now forget the very same things I complained about. Did I not complain that colored people don't get hired? Did I not complain about minority groups not being hired? Why today, when I'm there, I must now continue the thing that I complained about? Never, ever, never, ever, never, ever. Nie ek nie. So ek gaan nie die ding môre regmaak nie. Ek gaan die ding nou regmaak. No. I know how many black people there should be. I know how many colored people there should be. I know how many white people there should be. And I will not rest until I have fixed that thing. You've become too comfortable with certain people not being included. It stops now. We fought for this so that everyone can be included. I'm going to lead that fight. I'm not excited for a post. Then I must allow the stuff that oppresses the people that put me there, that oppresses another race, even if they didn't put me there. No, I can't do that. Everyone, black, white, Indian, colored, must all find representation. The unions can fight me. They can write letters. This is our fight. Our children's thing has been put in the dustbin for too long. We want everyone to get opportunity. We don't just want colored people to get opportunities. We don't just want whites. We don't just want blacks. We don't just want Indians. We want all races. Goedes moet balance. Goedes gaan balance. Moenie paisa nie. Wanted to be clear on that issue. I wanted to be clear on this issue. We are fixing. We are fixing South Africa for all of us. We are fixing South Africa for all of us. We are fixing is the budget speech. Then I'm coming to Nelson Mandela Bay. Guys, you know, this thing, I must tell you, and it's not going to stop with my department. I'm waiting to see when the cops are being hired, the police, the soldiers. Is there fairness? We are not in government. There must be fairness. These are the things that you forget that we fought for. Did you guys forget we fought for these things? We fought together, all of us. Why now, today, I can see that it's for Cooper layers. When he's there, he forgot what he fought about. Onze mense soek ook werke van die colored communities, van die wit communities, van die Indian communities. We must all get work, even the black communities, all of us. But I'm not going to be the one that is unfair. Imagine I must be the one. No. We are fixing now. You know, some leaders, they've been there, they never worried about this. They never worried about fixing this particular problem. We are going to meet with, we want to see when the cops get hired. We want to see when the soldiers, we want to see. We are now fixing this thing, even the municipalities and the provincial departments. We want fairness. Gone at that time when we are not being treated fairly. Then I want to talk about Namakwa district. Leaders, we've had 3 councillors joining us. The 3 or 2. No, one is Karoo Hoogland and this Namakwa is 2. I want to say to you, how our people get treated in Namakwa. Onze mense word nie reg behandel in Namakwa nie. People are not being treated right in Namakwa. We have taken a decision as PA. We're going to concentrate on Namakwa to turn that municipality. Namakwa is the one municipality that PA wants to run, to lead. Let me put it this way. To lead. The people of Namakwa, we're giving you an opportunity. Kom uit Egypte uit en volg ons na die land van melk en honing. For how long have you been voting for the ANC and for the DA? But your life has not changed. This is our opportunity. Hulle dink ons is magteloos. Met die Here aan ons kant is ons nooit magteloos nie. So to everybody here, ons gaat Namakwa, Namakwa, het ons kom oorvat. And that's what I want everybody to know. So that we can show our people before 2026, how does the government of the PA, how do we work? Hoe voel 'n PA regering? Ons gaan nie weer vir niks gevat word nie. Was 9 seats in parliament. Moet ons gevat word soos niks, nooit hier. We are going to, in all the PA councillors, all the PA MECs, all the PA MMCs, you have to check in your department, is the employment equity just? Is the employment equity fair? Is the employment equity that's there, is it equitable for everyone? Namakwa, ons het oorlog verklaar in Namakwa. People can say, no, we bring PA people over. We don't even know most people you guys are bringing over. Every day I see PA people. Ek ken hulle nie eens nie. We don't even know some of them. Don't know their names. They can't show you what they've ever done in the PA. Now, we don't bring people over and then post that. No. We are showing you the councillors we are bringing over. So don't make lives here and say, oh, the PA person, or a picture where you take a PA person is trekking his t-shirt out, trek sy t-shirt. No, wait, that's only face ons a PA councillor wat jy join. Shake ons so bietjie, shake ons. Ons shake julle dat julle statements skryf against the PA. And we are not done yet. Die ding ruk behoorlik. Die ding ruk in die PA in. Daar's niks gebuis daarin nie. Dan come and show me 5 people join your party. Toya hoop, man. They can, those people, we don't even know them, man. Show me the council of PAs that you say these are councillors. En die dia, julle moet baie lig slap. Ons kom. Julle moet kom, die kan. Kom vat die Judas by ons ook. Maar ons bring regte mense oor. Layers. That's why I want to ask you guys. When somebody joins the PA from the ANC and he was a councillor or from everywhere, you mustn't be, ooh, the ANC mense have any PA joining. Hold your horses. Let's check Sampras. If you say, no, Sampras can't join PA, the people that Sampras has already brought with him. For us, if you are real PA, you will just be happy when people come. No, but why is the ANC guys now joining PA? Oh, so we mustn't grow. So we shouldn't grow. According to you, ons mekaar heel dag so in die oë kyk, ons moet nie groei nie. Mense, hier kom 'n groot roering, laat ek julle sê. Hier kom 'n roering. 'n stirring. 'n roering. 'n stirring. Our people's eyes is opened. 2026, they have declared war against me. They think I'm the PA. But don't worry, I'll still tell about that war they declared. I'm not a PA. They can fight me. The PA will never fall. Because the PA is a mighty organization. It's an organization of the people. Ons het hierdie gebou deur gebed. So you can't say you don't want people from the ANC to join us. It's a numbers game we're talking about here. It's a numbers game. Of nee pres, sy's 'n prostituut. Sy kan nie vir ons stem nie. Nee, hy's 'n sondaar. Hey, as jy vote vra nie vir soos jy prostituut nie. Hulle vra nie vir sonde het jy nie. They don't ask how many beers do you drink when you go vote. Jy kan dronk daar instap, jy maak my crazy net so. No. Hou op asseblief mense. Just be welcoming. Just be accepting. Love everybody. Because that person has children, he's got relatives that will follow him to the PA. So julle wat sê, nee, ek gaan die PA vote because daar's no ANC mense. Man, loop! So ons moet 'n party bou wat stagneer. We must build a party that doesn't grow according to you because you don't like other people. Ons groei. Ons groei. Daar's 'n roering. There's a stirring coming. That's a roering. We must grow. And sometimes we're not going to grow with people that you are not the foreman of entrance. We want to grow the PA. We don't care if somebody has told they've spoken bad things about us. This is not about us. Stop this thing when you say, no, I don't want that person. This person said this about me. Is okay, ons kinder almal. Ek het ook al van mense geskinder. Baie lekker nogal. We all gossip. So please, just kry 'n bietjie beheer oor yourself. Kry 'n bietjie beheer oor yourself. I want to also go to the Nelson Mandela Bay. The Nelson Mandela Bay. The Nelson Mandela Bay event on the 17th. People, do you understand how big we are going to make the name of the Lord? Do you understand? We are going to go and say thank you to South Africa. Do you understand that week, Thursday, we are meeting with all PA people until midnight that day. All the PA office bearers, all of them. Friday, we're playing golf. Friday evening, there's a dinner. Get your ticket now, it's 1,000 rands. We don't make profit out of you. That's drank, that's cost, that's... Sy het net 'n lekker mooi rokkie en lekker hoek skoentjies, 'n half of 'n half heel of gaan maar jou plat skoene ook. En jy moet ook maar 'n mooi soetjie aantrek, whatever, maar jy gaan nie met kort broeke daar kom. Kom met jou kruisbande, just come. We are going to have a gala dinner. On Friday evening. Saturday, we are doing the fun run. Saturday morning, the fun run, the park run or the beach run. Saturday, we are going to get together there. Afterwards, die mense wil gaan slaap, die gaan ons 'n disco hou. Daar gaan vrywarings is vir die busse. We are going to send you. So I'm saying to all of you, get your 1,000 rands for your gala dinner ticket. Jy kan maar slegs die hoë hak, halve hak of plat hak slaan, maar the people are working very hard with them. So you have that. It's going to be the best in the history of PA. There would never be such a gathering. In the history of the PA. Just make sure you get your tickets so that it's not sold out. Dan word jy weer heel. So last time, press ek kan nie inkom nie, press. Press this, no. So now you have it. That's that. Then, Patriots, I want to just talk about this issue that involves you. The PA soccer tournament in Eldorado Park. Listen to me nicely. Please don't understand me incorrectly. I'm going to explain this twice, and the people, they don't get it. I'm going to say it twice. So don't. PA is going to host the PA Easter Soccer Tournament. Al die councillors luister baie mooi. Your contact person is Councillor Dwayne Ponsonby. All the wards, in fact I must read those wards, that PA has won, can bring a team. They don't need to pay. They can bring a team. They don't need to pay. I'm saying to you again, only the wards that PA has won, they don't, let me get the names so that we are. We have won 12 wards so far. 12 wards. Those 12 wards are going to play against each other in El Rado Park. The party will pay for the transport of the combi with the players. So it will be all PA wards that we've won that must bring a team. The prize money is 100,000 rand. When we started PA, we started with the soccer tournament, so we want to bring it. So the teams that's going to play is Klaver Ward 6. Klaver Ward 6, you can bring a soccer team, the PA will pay for the transport. Pakdien Ward 8, you can bring a soccer team, the PA will pay for the transport to Joburg. Botchards Ward 20, you can come, the PA will pay for the transport when you come here. Duiselsdorp Ward 9, you can bring your soccer team. Julle kan 'n soccer team by mekaar sit daar. Malmesbury Ward 11. The councillors are responsible for this. Kensington Ward 56. Rodepan Ward 1. Eldorado Park Ward 17. Eldorado Park Ward 18. Ennerdale Ward 7. Eden Park Ward 57. Reiger Park Ward 34. So all those, you can bring one combi. I'm asking Patriots to open their houses for the players when they come. The council is responsible for the team. And after the soccer, we will then make an announcement for the rugby. There's going to be a big announcement for rugby after the soccer. But we are starting. We are starting. Other sporting codes will be included. We're starting with soccer because PA had the inaugural soccer thing in El Rado Park. We are going to the same stadium. So every ward, if you are from that ward and you want to come and support your people, jump in your car and come and support the people. Saldanha Bay and Westbury, you still have a chance to enter. The players must be from the wards. The team, the players must be from the wards. You must get your best soccer players in that ward to come. Saldanha and they can already, the Easter soccer tournament. We must all go to El Rado Park to go and support them. These are only wards that has been won by the Patriotic Alliance. So now, you understand, after this, we're making a big announcement of rugby. Because we've got a huge announcement with rugby regarding PA. These are the PA games, and then there will be netball. We must now lead with example. We're starting with the soccer. We want to learn. Your team must be ward-based. Leader Dwayne will give you the rules. They will send you the rules when you enter. You can't come here with a team that is not from that ward. You don't need to pay. It's 100,000 rand prize money. The 100,000 is not for PA. PA is giving the 100,000. The 100,000, the team that win will decide what do they do with the 100,000. So that is the rules. You can ask leader Dwayne Ponsonby about that. If Ward 1 if Ward 1 wins now next week, they will be part of it in Saldanha. If Westbury win, I must say if, because if I say they're going to win, then they'll be part of it. Then people say, yeah, you said they're going to be part of it. The people that want to come and be with us, we will be watching the football the whole weekend. You are welcome to come to come and join us in Eldorado Park. The Easter weekend PA tournament. So now you have it. It's only, we start with the wards and now we're going to move to the national provincial. And when we come to the provincial, let me tell you, if you look at the people that did well with province was a provincial now, places like Kokama, Kamai, Northern Cape, Cederberg, Bergrivier, Swartland, Kanaland, Oudtshoorn, Lensburg, Prince Albert. They will be the next one when we come to rugby. Those are the places we're going to give preference to, the ones that did well. Those places I've mentioned. So there's going to be car spinning that weekend in Nelson Mandela Bay. Stance is not a crime. So I want to make a statement there to show those police that still stop people to say stance is not a crime. They must really stop it. As the minister I'm arranging that thing. So guys, you have that. You understand now what we want from you. There's our condolences to the ANC leader that passed on today in an accident. It's never good when somebody passes on. It's really, it's a sad thing. And Councillor Brendan Jantjies passed on in Kokama in the Eastern Cape. The only reason why I'm mentioning this, it's in Ward 5, is because there will now be a by-election. So the people of Kokama, there's a by-election in Ward 5. It's that same ward that Lloyd, I think we came second there. So I mentioned that unfortunate death, so you know there's going to be a by-election. So the people of the Eastern Cape, prepare yourself for a by-election. And you have now what... you have now to say, we want to see which ward councillor comes with the best team. I see Councillor Sambo Foster says his span is reg, all the way from George coming. George got two teams. They got Ward 20 and then they got leader Sambo's ward, packed in. So only one team in Westbury. If Westbury wins, then... Oh, sorry, it's not Councillor Brendan Jantjies that died. He let us know. Thank you, Leader Tiffany. Yo, you have a long live Councillor Brendan Jantjies. Oh, I didn't give the name of the councillor. I was actually thinking like, oh, Councillor Shannon May passed on, sorry. My apologies, Leah Brendan. Nee, jy het baie lank lewe. Jy het baie lank lewe, councillor. Our condolences to Councillor Shannon, the one that passed on. Then, Patriots, I need to say this to you. We have really, really come a long way. We've really, really come a long way. We've built this party. It's a force now. It is a force. I'm saying to you, we're going to make sure this party is a kingdom assignment. Work hard. With all the attacks, God will fight for us. We are now starting with sport in the PA. Julle wat so sê, hulle was netbalspelers. Die vrouens wat so lyk lieg. Wat sê, nee, pres, ek was gevaarlik met netbal. Die tyd het aangebreek. Laat ons sien hoe gevaarlik is jy. Jy lieg vir ons elke dag, hoe was jy die kaptein? We want to bring sports in. We must lead. I'm the Minister of Sport, so you guys must be active. We must have competitions. Netball, soccer, rugby, cricket, swimming. Ooh, swimming. Hulle ken julle self, mense. As jy eers so bak, los maar. Los maar. As die neus eers toegedruk word, we want to lead with sports. We're going to lead with, we're going to bring arts. We're going to do all those things. These are not government money. Let me just, before they say Mackenzie is using the PA money, the government, this is not government money. This is Patriotic Alliance money. Gymnastics. Ooh, mense soek gymnastics. Ice skating. Hier is icy. Jy weet 3 biere se ys. Kom 3 biere se waardes met 5 ys. Ons nou by ice skate. We will do all of that. I just want us to, because guys, I'm going to bring sport back to its rightful place in arts and culture. You see, I'm running and I'm trying to be fit. It's hard. Volleyball is coming back, all those things. We must be the example as adults that we can do this. Ballroom, dominoes, klaver. Yes. Ja, ouders kom terug. Hoor vir Tiffany sê sy gaan loop met hockey. Met die flow val aan nie, jong. Die diepiet is weer uitverkoop die discap, sê Adobe. Gareth, there's going to be PA marathons, darts, all of those things. Guys, I want to tell you something. So, I've got one of my favorite cousins. We talk a lot. So he sent me like a rubbish message. He sends me like a really, he says, Jay, ek het sien wat doen sy. Ek vra waar. Hy sê, ek sien die liefde stories van jou. I see your love stories. Sy beter nie my besigheid praat nie. Ek sê, masakat, ek sal mos nooit praat nie, man. So he pissed me off yesterday because he didn't want to go somewhere with me. So I told him, tonight you must watch the live. I'm going to tell you wat die liefde gedoen het alom. He's been threatening me. He's my favorite cousin. He's been threatening me not to tell. He says, I can see the stories of yours. You are very close to my story. You're the only one that knows the story. It's my mom that died. So you better not talk my story. So I just want him to know I'm going to talk his story tonight. Because he threatened me. Ek word nie gedreig nie. Hy sê, sy gaat nie my story sê nie. So ek gaat jou story sê vanaan, masakat. Ek gaat nou die stuk sny vir die Patriots. En sê, daar het ek bang geword vir die liefde. I want to tell you, the day when I saw love is dangerous. Love is dangerous if it breaks. Love, when it breaks, it's not good. You know, when people are in love, it's such a beautiful thing. You know, when you love somebody, you get that giddy feeling. Oh yeah, the last thing I forgot to tell you, kom nou terug na die liefde toe. Singing competitions, PA must have singing competitions. We must have art competitions. We must do those things that singing, and there's no government money here, it's PA money. Let me repeat that. I just want us to lead by example and help our communities. We must lead by example. So my cousin, I said, you must come with me. He said, no, I'm not going with you. So I said, oh, you don't want to? I'm going to tell a story. He says, you will never. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell his story tonight. Let me tell you guys. You know, you must never, when I'm explaining the story for you, you know, we men, you like to say, I leave this girl. I leave this girl. Don't do that. Don't leave somebody that you still love. Try to work it out. Don't let pride overtake. Some of you, you love a person, but you're full of pride. I don't want you anymore. Or you don't appreciate the person. And all those type of stuff. And they lived. So my cousin is handsome. He met this girl. This man has his own business that's doing well. So well that he told my auntie she can leave a job. Are you understanding how well he's been doing? He's been doing so well that he told his mommy she must leave a job because he doesn't want her to work. Because his business is doing well. So he was dating this girl. Claudelia is her name. Claudelia. Her name is Claudelia. So, girl is beautiful. And we are always together in Cape Town. We always hang out, and it's Claudelia. Then he had an argument with Claudelia. So, as he's got an argument with Claudelia, he then says, no, I don't want you anymore. I don't want you anymore. And I'm done with you. You can go. And he's chasing Claudelia away. So, because I'm close to him. And I'm close to Claudelia. So Claudelia comes to me and she says, please talk to him. Please. I can't live without him. I can't. Please. She's even crying like people in the movies, bro. Like, you know how the people in the movies cry like, I love him. You know that movie cry. There's a different cry, but you know that movie cry is a serious one. Then when they speak like in syllabus and installments, they cry in installments and go like, I love him. Kyk het Claudelia. She cries like that. She wants my cousin back. And she wants nothing. So Claudelia speak to me, that I must speak to my cousin. I love you. Except my bro, she even cried like in the movies, bruh, with installments. I love you. So, except bro, give her a chance. No. I'm not giving her a chance. I'm giving her a chance. I'm done with her. Sharp. So, Fadila says, what is he saying? I said, no, I'm still talking to him. He says, what is he saying? So, I'm not scared of the installment crying. Ne? So I'm like, no, I'm still talking to him. So I go and speak to him. Barbara, give this girl a chance, man. Give this girl a chance. Give her a chance. He wants nothing. I said to him, no, I'm going back. And I'm not honest. I said, no. He's still a bit hard, but maybe give him a chance and you'll see. This brother then moved on. He met another chick, Joe. So this guy, my cousin, he's there with Joe. Him and Joe are busy there. And then Claudelia sees him. And when Claudelia sees him with Jill, she knows he's over. She knew he's moved on. And she came to me. I'm like, yo, here's installments coming. Installments is coming. She says, no, it's okay. It's okay. He moved on. Ek gaat ook aanbeweeg. After 2 weeks, I'm like, huh? This is Miss Claudelia kissing a guy there by Steers. I'm like, you say, with the. It's like, no, what do you mean? Your cousin moved on. This is my new man. I said, huh? You moved on? He says, yes, I moved on. I love him. So he laughed like, we're so happy. He didn't say, no, in installments, no, she's happy. So I go and tell my cousin. I go and tell my cousin. So I get to his house. So he still stays with his mom and his sisters, but he's in his house now, in Plattekloof. So big house, I walk in. I said, Masagant, waar is hy? Ek sê, hey, hoe gaan die liefde? He says, no, not good. Me and Jill broke up. I said, you broke up with Jill? He says, yes, I broke up with Jill. I said, really? He says, I just decided that Claudelia is the best for me. I want to take my girl back. I want her back. Can't live without that girl. I said, hey, die saak is groot, hoekom ek reeds hier is. I'm exactly here for that issue. He's like, thank you, G. I know I could depend on you. Now he stays with his 4 sisters and his mom and him. His father passed on. So it's him, 4 sisters, and his mom. So he lived with 5 women in the house. And he's the oldest. So he goes like, hey, G, I know I can depend on you. That's why you can somewhere, maybe let's go and fix things by Claudelia, because you two are close. I said, die saak is nie so maklik. The case is not as easy. He's like, what do you mean? I said, brah, I don't know how to say this to you. Just but you know, now I'm the middleman. You know this middleman business is never good. In the middle, I'm Cyril in the middle. I said, hey, Claudelia moved on. He says, what do you mean Claudelia moved on? I said, relax, bro. No, don't tell me to relax. Ek sê, bro, wat gaat nou aan? Ja, maar moet nie my sê nie. Hoe moet ons sê, aanbeweeg? Ek sê, my broer, sê, wacht, relax. Maar hoe kan ek relax? Kykie, ek sê, yo, moet ek die nebulizer nou klaar daarmee bring? Die man sê, what you mean? Ek sê, luister, moet nie op stopper geraakie. She's got a new man. I met her and a man. She said, you are lying, you just don't want me to go back. I said, what do I benefit? I'm the one that, no, where's she? So I asked her, where are you? She's like, oh no, what was this shop? Milky Lane, we're at Milky Lane. We're having ice cream with my new bae at Milky Lane. I'm like, sure, I'm coming there now. So we go to Milky Lane, but I'm going with my cousin. So he gets there, these people have, they do this, you know, when people lock their hands into each other, and like, I give my Dexel water and she gives me water. When they go there, they are giving each other like some juice there. And they lock in, you know, like a lock nut. They lock in. Like, you know, when I have my thing and we lock in and we give each other like water, just to a pair or whatever. Yeah. And he says, Claudelia, what you doing? Ek dink, nou kyk julle mense daar nie, en die ding is, die hele mense at Milky Lane, kyk toe vir ons. Hy sê, Claudelia, what you doing? Who's this? She just stood up and she gave that guy a kiss. Yeah. My cousin, greep die tafel, zei wil val. Ek sê, broer, wat gaan aan? Die man is warm. Hy sê, yo, this, I said, hey, man, die kan my sê, vir my so vroeg, kom ons gaan niet. Now we're going out. My cousin is sweating. Ek sê, sit net hier. Hy sê, ek sê, kom nou, hy vraag, gaan jy hom gaat moer, G? Gaat jy hom gaat moer? Ek sê, ek kom nou. Hy dink, ek gaat nou terug om my man te gaan beklei. Ek gaat nie terug hier. Ek gaat vraag ijs en ek gaat koop ijskrim. Nou koop ek ijskrim, maar die man kan afkoel. Ja, ons kom terug. Hoe hoor ek, die man praat nie? Die aircon, het ek nou al, kykie, ek had nooit as die mens eet een ijskrim, sorry. Ek sê vir hom, wat is die ijskrim? Ek soek die ijskrim, ek soek vir Cornelia. Jere, die man heel ook weer die stolmans. Ek sê, die mense, hulle behoort mis, die mense hele die stolmans. Hier is onze crying in stolmans. Hy, wat, Cornelia? Ek sê, maar sy kan relax. Sy gaat nou een panic attack kry. You know, guys, this is a true story I'm telling you. Where I saw love is dangerous. As ek my ijskrim gee, toe byt die ijskrim af, like. Die koud. Hier is die man so warm. Ek sê die aircon aan. Ek sê die. Ons ry ons terug huis toe. Ek sê, hier is uncomfortable in die kar. It's uncomfortable. So ek sê, het 'n bietjie music slaan. Toe. Ek hoor net. The greatest love of all. Not the singer, what's her name? Whitney Houston. You give good love. Baby, you give good. Hy sê, sit af die kikman. Sy die genade nie. Jere, ek barst uit van die lach. Nou ry ek, sy die genade nie. Wees genadig aan my. Ek het breinvries, die man het die breinvries, die man het die hele kou net so ingedruk, hy het die ding afgebreek, ek het breinvries, ek moet vir, you give good love, na, die man heel met installments, Whitney sing hier, ek het breinvries, die man sê, ek is ongenadiglik, ons kom by die man sy huis, ja, ons is in die huis in die kamer in. Die man begin te huil. Listen, people. My cousin started to cry. Then his mom, Auntie Janice, opened the door quickly. And she sees him crying. Guys, I know you're not going to believe me. My cousin even told me you're not going to believe me what I'm saying now. But I'm going to say it anyway. I know you're going to believe me. My cousin said, nobody will believe you anyway. You can tell my story. When his mother opened the door, he's crying. I'm sitting there like, hey, the lifter. His mother, my auntie says, what's wrong with you? He says, Mommy, I got period pains. Ek sê, oh, Here, wat? Hy sê, Mommy, I'm okay, Mommy, I've got period pains. As ek my nie laat gepis het, van die lach. Oh, Here, ek was te lach. Kijk hier, van al die lieg wat ek kan lieg. Say, Mommy, say, what's happening? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Oh, Mommy, I've got period pains. Here, ek sê, period pains, oh, Here. Kijk hier. Okay. Say, you guys are just simple. As the mother leaves, ek sê, bro, period pain. Sy sê, "Here kyk jy. Ek het nie geweet my kop werk nie. Here my sister sê laat vir period pain. Dink ek dit. He growing up with girls and they always cry about period pains. I say, Here, that was the unexpected. Ek sê, Here, as hy stol my ding weer. Hy sê, ek kan nie asem kry nie. Ek kort 'n nebulizer. Because I can't stop laughing because of period pains. Like, ek dink hoe Here gaan doodgaan vandag. Die man sê vir sy mami. Hy sê, kyk die. Hoe kan Cordelia dit daarmee doen? Nou, die man wat vir Cordelia gelos het. Tot Delia gelos het. Dat jy vir Cordelia gelos het. So ek wil vir julle net waarsku. Stop leaving people that you still love. Stop playing to the gallery. Stop trying to be all tough guy. Because jy weet nie môre gaan die period pains uitkom en jy's 'n man. So kyk jy. So die liefde is baie mooi. Die liefde, ek dink die breinvriezer die man geslaan toe sê hy sommer is period pains. So Patriots, all I want to say to you is love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Maar die liefde sal jou klaarmaak hoor. Die liefde sal vir jou klaarmaak. So I just want to say to you, work things out, man, with your Dexel. Don't try to be Mr. Superman here. Jy sal geblend word. So Amy says, so are they back together now? Hulle sê terug, die man is nou, het nou Anna mooi dekseltjie vir hom gekry. Maar hy sê vir my eendag iets, ek sê vir hom, jy is weer verlief. Hy sê, ek hou matigheid voor oor. Ek hou matigheid voor oor. Ek hou matigheid voor oor. Ek val nie weer so diep in nie. So I just want to say, you guys must appreciate your husbands, appreciate your wives, appreciate your partners. Don't try for people to tell you who you should date. Don't try to play Mr. Tough Guy and all those things. Just love each other. Love your partner. Be happy. Don't let people interfere in your business. Don't listen to stories about people. Ek het al baie opgeëindig met meisies wat stories kom draad aan my meisie. Dan sê my meisie, nee, jy maak so, dan eindig ek so met hulle op die story draad, die posvrou. Die posvrou is baie gevaarlik, mense. Die posvrou. En die posman is net so gevaarlik. Die posman en die posvrou wat die boodskappe bring na jou deksel toe is baie gevaarlik. Môre is die postman in die relationship in jou plek in die posvrou. So los maar die mense, die postman en die posvrou. Moenie vir jou postman en 'n posvrou in mense se relationship sê. Hou op jou ore uitleen. Sort out your problems in jou deksel. Dis al wat ek wil sê. Ek is baie lief vir julle. Baie lief vir julle. Die week het ons die budget. Ek is in die Kaap en ons doen die budget speech die week. Moenie worry nie. Just respect each other, love each other, en moenie na die posvrou of die postman luister nie. Watch out for the posvrou. Watch out for the postman. They have a reason why they bringing bad news to your Dexel. Love your Dexel. The best Dexels are those that don't listen to people talking about the relationship. Hulle moet wakker is vir die posvrou. Ek het aan die posvrou uitgegaan. Die posvrou wat weet alles gebreek het, is en ek in my deksel, baie jare gelede. Toe sê ek, kom jy sommer hierso. Laat ek sien hoe laat is, hoe lyk jy, hoe goed is. So die posvrou en die posman, stay out of your relationships. I'm telling you. Just appreciate each other, love each other, and I love you with all my heart, guys. And we are family. En die week, die ding kom ruk in die P. Salute. Take care.